Ever since I was a little kid, even in elementary school, I would just always buy really big books, and I wouldn't even read it. I would just look at the pictures of space and astronomy, and that was just so interesting to me, the stars and what's beyond. And I think I've kind of developed a keen on engineering because I'm very good at mathematics and science. So I've just kind of honed it down and realized I want to do something with space. I want to launch rockets into orbit and beyond.
Oh, I think, Gianni, when you talk about, people say they want a certain player to represent your program. I mean, he's the one. From an academic point of view, the classes that he takes up there in the school, his class ranking, things that most high school senior football players don't care about, he does. Part of the robotics club.
I've always wanted to become an aerospace engineer. And with robotics, it's really, really close to what I want to do. It's mechanical engineering, and I've been using CAD softwares and design to help engineer a robot. So it's very, very close and aligned to my career goals. Currently what we're doing in robotics is I'm helping revise a gearbox that I constructed during the actual build season. So what's happening is the motor is overheating because there's not enough torque in the gearbox to help lift an arm up and down. So I have to revise the gear ratio and also revise certain parts of the gearbox frame because the entire thing could just shatter into pieces and the motor could even overheat and turn on fire, which was a concern during the actual build season. So I have to make sure that doesn't happen. I think one of the very common areas is dividing and conquering between your the groups and teams. So for offense, you have the offensive line, you have all the running backs, you have the tight ends and the receivers. On the robotics team, you have design, mechanical, software, marketing, and electrical. So there are 5 different teams, and you have to all work together in unison to create an entire robot, just like how an offensive line and the running back at the QB form an offense, form the offense themselves.
He's someone who's going to be successful coming out of the program. He wants to continue to play football. We know he's going to do really well in school. He wants to go to a school that's challenging to him. And so again, that sets a precedent for some of the other kids that are here. That, listen, this is what you can do coming out of here if you put the work in both up on the hill and then down here in the athletic arena.